Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Fine lock installed, admin rights, and a verified backup of the folder you will protect. Once done, open Fine Lock and choose the target folder. Make sure to set the owner and access policy in the same session. You should enable the kernel mode driver when Fine Lock prompts. This ensures reliable enforcement. While installing, note any system warnings and accept only trusted driver signatures. This gets you directly into the first actionable steps without redundant setup. You now configure the complex middle. Define fine-grained policies for each user or group, assigning read, write, and delete permissions explicitly so there's no ambiguity. Next, generate or import a 256-bit encryption key and make sure you store that key off-host in a secure vault. Once the key is in place, enable audit logging and set a session timeout. 15 to 30 minutes is practical, so inactive sessions auto-lock. These steps ensure both control and recoverability, while minimizing accidental exposure. You finish by applying the policies and immediately testing with a non-admin account to confirm the expected behavior. Try opening, saving, and deleting to validate. Once verified, enable the emergency recovery key and document the exact retrieval steps in your secure SOP. If something goes wrong, first check the Fine Lock driver status, then review audit logs for access denials, and finally verify key integrity. These checks solve most failures. If needed, roll back using the documented recovery key to restore access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.